Here's a short video instruction how to install Google Play Store to the latest Likebook. In Google for Google Play Store 12.6.12 version, you will get this result. Just go to it. You can also use the download link below this video. So here, and download APK. So okay, after you did it, you can connect your Likebook Mars to your PC and just copy the file you have downloaded to the internal storage of the Likebook Mars, like I did. So now here's usual home screen of Likebook Mars. You can go to the apps, go to the menu here and select application manager. Afterwards, click on this icon and enable Google Framework. So back, open File Manager. You will be able to see the one new APK in your folder and start it. In the settings, you need to allow to install third-party apps from unknown sources. Okay. And of course, you will need to connect your device to the internet. The next steps are known and don't need to be explained.